Hey guys, welcome back. This is Ashok from Teknoqs. This is a dedicated video of slow-mo samples shot on Redmi Note 9 Pro. Redmi Note 9 Pro has 3 slow-mo video modes. It can shoot 120fps at 1080p, 240fps at 720p, 960fps super slow-mo at 720p. Sit back and enjoy the super slow-mo videos of Redmi Note 9 Pro. 240fps. Let's break the Oreo. 960 FPS. FPS. 960 FPS. If you like this video, subscribe to Teknoqs and click on the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Save trees, stay awesome.